Hello and welcome to a new episode of, me, Preffs, and today we are going to see how good is this dragon breath on really bad rims. Well, they are not dirty, but they are yellow, and that's some kind of mix from brake dust and salt during the winter here in Sweden. Well, the rims look like this. So as you can see, it's plenty of yellowish things. So, how good is the dragon's breath on the yellowness on the aluminum tires? Well, rims. So, what do you think? Will the dragon's breath clean these rims from the yellow thing? Well, I think it's metal particles and from the brake dust and the mixture salt and brake dust during the winter. I think that's the problem with the yellowness on the rims. I'm not 100% sure, but let's see if we can remove it with only dragon's breath. But yeah, first of all, I'm going to clean the car with the degreaser and so on. But that's not the point of this video, so I will only show you the dragon's breath. And well, we are done, and unfortunately I cannot film inside the garage today because I forgot my GoPro, and I guess my camera do not like the water, so unfortunately I couldn't film when I rinsed the rim. So the final result is like this. Unfortunately, I totally forgot this rim here. Not this rim, but this place. But otherwise, it's pretty clean. Same with the rear one. It's super clean. And I forgot a little bit here as well, but well, it's super clean. Oh, need this one. So sorry. But I really like the dragon's breath, and in the future we are going to try out the angel wax model Revelation, I think. So stay tuned and press the subscribe button, and we will do some similar with the angel wax. So have a good one, and we'll see each other in the next one.